Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Docker Desktop on Windows for local development, full guide step by step clearly. To install Docker Desktop on Windows for local development, begin by ensuring your Windows version is compatible. You need Windows 10 64-bit, Pro, Enterprise, or Education Edition, or Windows 11. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Docker website. In the search bar, type Docker Desktop for Windows and select the appropriate link. Click on the Download for Windows button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the Docker Desktop installer to run it. A security prompt may appear asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Docker Setup Wizard. You may be prompted to enable the WSL2 feature, which is recommended for optimal performance. If you don't have WSL2 installed, the setup will guide you through the process. Once you reach the final steps of the installation, click Finish to complete the setup. Docker Desktop will launch automatically after installation. When it first opens, you may see a tutorial or welcome screen guiding you through the basic features. To verify the installation, open a command prompt. Type Docker version and hit Enter. This command will display the installed version of Docker. Next, test Docker's functionality by typing Docker run hello world. Hit Enter to execute the command. Docker will pull the hello world image from the Docker Hub and run it. You should see a confirmation message that Docker is working properly. Now you're ready to start using Docker for local development. Explore additional settings and preferences in the Docker Desktop interface as needed. Familiarize yourself with the Docker documentation for further guidance on using Docker containers. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Docker Desktop on Windows for local development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.